Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. So guys, this is a continuation video of the most beautiful village in Africa. If you haven't watched the previous video, kindly watch the previous video, the video I uploaded before this particular one, and see for yourself the most beautiful village in Africa. Like I said, this is a continuation of the video. So guys, this is Abiriba in Abia State. You must have heard about the small London. It's nicknamed the small London because of its beauty and the type of mansions that are here, my brother. No be joke. Be like those mansions where they see for Hollywood movie. How many of you don't see Rick Ross mansion for US? Those type of mansions exist here in a village called Abiriba. If this is the first time you are tuning into my channel, you are highly welcome. Kindly watch this video down to the end and tell me what you think in the comment section. And if you find this video interesting, please click the subscribe button, subscribe to my YouTube channel. If you have done that already, thank you so much. So guys, come with me as I show you around Abiriba in this video. So this road you are seeing leads to Mboro. Yes, Mboro. So if you keep going down, you are going to get to Mboro. But this particular place is still Abiriba, but Mboro Road. And I'm going to take you around and around. The places I didn't show you in the previous video are the places I'm going to be showing you in this video. So kindly watch this video down to the end. You can see for yourself how a village is well packaged, well organized. Not be every village they like this, you understand. Some villages, if you go there, my brother, you know, go see houses way sharp like this. But you they see them for Abiriba, it clear for Abiriba, you know, understand. So guys, just tell me what you think in the comment section, and please click the share button and share this video for me. So that place you are seeing down there, my brother, in a sand they park for there, and I waiting make that place be like that. Caterpillar they come there, they park sand. Yes, they see them. It's very beautiful. It's very beautiful. So guys, they see fence now. See fence we person do for a village, my brother. This fence sharp die. The building also makes sense. So watch this video. They watch and they go. They watch and they go. You understand? Carry camera come. They follow me, my brother. So as they see them, so it be fine. Where. Yeah, makes sense, no be small. So guys, this is one of the villages in the southeastern part of Nigeria where be say the people they bring out money, you understand, do their road, make their road dey okay, make their road dey motorable. If everybody now for south is go fit copy this pattern, you understand, we just they do our road, you understand, especially for inside village like this. Everywhere go nice for southeast. Now if they come back like this, they drive a BMW, just they bounce and like this, you don't understand, everywhere nice. We'll copy them for this one, you don't understand. So can I just the watch the video, watch and waiting I go show you for front, it better pass with the one we don't they see already, you understand. So I bet me no tired to they watch the video, they just watch and they go, you get. Thank you.